everyone, my name is Wella and right now I am here at Residencias de Francesca inside Metro Manila Hills in Rodriguez, Rizal. Now what we're going to do today is we're going to take a look inside the model unit of the 70 square meter house to show you how you can dress up your turnover unit. You will see that the possibilities are endless and I'm just so excited to show you how you can dress up your unit to make it the best living space for you and your family. Now let's go and check it out. So upon entering, you will discover that we have decided to keep the open layout. That way, we'll be able to maximize the space and at the same time show you how you can turn this space into a place where you can entertain guests, have countless family dinners, and make delicious home-cooked meals. For starters, we have decided to close off this door. That way, we'll be able to use up the entire wall and fit a console table where you can receive people. You can also fit a two-seater sofa and accentuate it with a side table. And what is nice about acquiring a property here at Metro Manila Hills, all the houses are completely customizable. So what we did is we put a storage under the stairs and that you can use as a broom closet, maybe your shoe closet, any which way you like. Now let me take you to the other side of the house where you will be greeted with stairs that will lead you to 3 exquisite bedrooms. But we will explore that later on. Now let me take you to the ground floor powder room. See that the size is just perfect. We were able to put a shower, a toilet, a lavatory, and still we were able to design it in such a way that it turns out so beautifully. Now let's talk about this door, which is actually a back door, but we will discuss that later on. For now, let's go on to the kitchen. As I mentioned earlier, for this model unit, we decided to keep the open layout. Now, the only division that we added is this bar counter, which you can use as a breakfast nook or as a preparation area, however which way you want to use it. You may actually not even put it. It's totally up to you. And since this structure is so wonderfully cut, you will notice that wala tayong sayang na space. Every corner, every wall, every area is usable. And that is why for this kitchen, we decided to put the fridge here. We also put bar counters fitted with cabinets. We were able to even put hanging cabinets, range hood, and stove as any kitchen would have. And if you notice also, there are definitely no obstructions here in this structure. So you can use it and you can lay it out however way you want. And with that, I will now take you to the dining area. Now this is a space we decided to turn into the dining area. Now for this model unit, we decided to put a 6-seater. But as you can see with the space, you can customize and change it into an 8-seater, maybe a 4-seater. It totally depends on your family requirement. Now let's move on to this side of the house where, I am all about symmetry. And that is why we put 2 same looking shelves on opposite sides. And this one, you can just decorate it to your heart's content. Or maybe don't put the shelves at all. Up to you. We also put an accent wall to this side. That way, we gave this wall that extra depth. Now, you can also do that. You can use wood pattern like we did, or you can also use tiles. You can also use other patterns, maybe a stone wall, or even mirrors. Totally up to you. And what we did was we also put a giant TV right here, tying this all together to make this the perfect living space. And to top it all off, all turnover units are equipped with French double doors with side glass panels, allowing all that sunshine and all that positive energy to come in. Now, let's check out the upstairs. So the second floor has 3 bedrooms and 1 large balcony that I'm just so excited to show you later on. But for now, let us take a look at bedroom number 1. So this is bedroom number 1, which is just the right size for a kid's bedroom. For this one, we fit a single bed and a full-size closet, and we still had enough room to spruce it up a little bit and make it pretty. Now let's go to bedroom number 2. So this is bedroom number 2, which is bigger than bedroom number 1. And with that, we were able to add a bigger bed. So here we put a double bed. It can even accommodate up to a queen-size bed. We put a bigger closet. And of course, we put more accents. And with that, let's go on now to master's bedroom. Now, this is the master's bedroom. Notice how big and spacious it all seems. Di ba? Parang ang laki-laki niyang tignan. And that is because ang smart ng cutting ng area. When you look at it, you already know that this area is where you will be putting the closet. This is the space where you will be putting the bed. This is where you will be putting the TV. But since the space and the area is totally customizable, you can change the layout however you see fit. Now let's check the bathroom. See, the bathroom again is just the right size. You can put a shower, an enclosure, you can have your toilet and your lavatory and still design it in a way that it will come out beautifully. Diba? It looks like a hotel. I love it. Alright, now let's go on to the balcony like I mentioned earlier, and I'm just so excited. Wow, this balcony is huge. Now, I can imagine so many things I want to do with this balcony, but right now I'm just going to enjoy it as it is. And like I said, this house is totally customizable. And you may opt to turn this into an extra bedroom because who wouldn't want that, right? Again, as for me, I'm going to enjoy this cool mountain air brought on by the Sierra Madres before I head out and check out the outside. Now, this is the back door access I was telling you about earlier. Now, this will lead you directly to the service area that you can turn into your dirty kitchen or your laundry area. Alright, this also has access to the carport. So let's go on straight and check it out. The back door also leads directly to the carport. Now, this carport fits 2 cars perfectly. But I cannot say this enough. Because this house is customizable, you can actually turn this into another bedroom. Completely up to you what you want to turn this space into. It can be an additional room, maybe an additional living space. Your limit is your imagination. Again, this has been the 70 square meter model unit here at Residencials de Francesca. We hope that this video gave an idea on how to do the interiors of your house. Because here at Metro Manila Hills, the only limit is your imagination. Now, if you have any inquiries, kindly visit us at our website at nsjbi.com.ph or visit us at any of our socials. Find us through the links below.